Hello students and welcome to today's class. As you already know, our exam is next week. So today we're going to have a review class about the topics of adverbs of frequency and adverbs of place. Let's begin with the adverbs of frequency. Remember that we use adverbs of frequency to describe how often something occurs. For example, if every night before going to sleep you drink water, you can say, I always drink water before going to sleep. Or if 4 or 5 days at school students wear uniform, we can say, students usually wear uniform at school. Then, the adverbs of frequency we saw were always, usually, often, sometimes, hardly ever, and never. Remember that always is used when we do an activity 100% of the times, and never an activity 0% of the times. We don't do it at all. Then, we use usually and often when we do an action very frequently. Sometimes it's used when we do an action more or less frequently. And hardly ever when we almost never do an action. All right, now let's see the adverbs of place. First, we have past. When you go in front of something, you say go past. Like in the picture, one person goes past another people. Then we have through. When you physically travel through something, you say go through. Like in the picture, one person goes through the door. Now we have over. When you travel some distances or cross water to get to some place, you say go over. Like in the picture, one person goes over the bridge. Now let's see along. When you follow a path parallel to something, you say go along. Like in the picture, the person goes along the river. Then we have across. When you cross something, you say go across. Like in the picture, one person goes across the river. Then we have up. When you go higher, you say go up. Like in the picture, the person goes up the stairs. Now let's see down. When you go lower, you say go down. Like here, the person goes down the stairs. Then we have into. When you enter to a place, you say go into. Like over here, the person goes into a place. And the opposite of into is out of. When you get out of a place, you say go out of. Like over here, this person goes out of the place. Very good, students. Now please open your notebooks. You're going to write 10 sentences. 5 of them using the adverbs of place, and the other 5 using the adverbs of frequency. This will be the exercise number 27. Please do it, and when you finish, that's going to be it for today. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.